The appetites of such a large family quickly exhaust even a bountiful supply. Together, the otters have taken all that this pool has to offer. They need a fresh cache. And in these trying conditions, the next fishing hole could be a long way off. Led by their mother, the travelers set out with determination. Otters are capable of overland treks, but leaving the water means vulnerability. Because on land, they become the hunted. They must traverse from one fishing hole to another while avoiding predators. The otters run quickly and slide with ease. But before they reach their destination, their journey is hindered. Snow flurries make it difficult to see, harder to follow. A pup falls behind. Soon, she's separated. And the storm is building. The blizzard could settle in for days. Disorienting. Relentless. Tracks disappear. Drifts swallow distress calls. The otter pup isn't ready to survive alone in Yellowstone. But if she doesn't find family soon, the whiteout could bury any hope of a reunion.